This is my unboxing of the INIU USB-C charging cable. This is a 2-pack here. Both cables are 1 meter in length, and it's the 3.1 amp speed. It says fast charging, but that's at USB 2 speeds. So I think the max speed you'll get is around 15-16 watts. Theoretical max of around 18, I think. But yeah, if you want to get faster speeds, you'll need to use a USB-C to C cable, or I think, obviously this is USB 2, maybe you might get faster with a USB 3 cable. But yeah, it comes with some normal information. Both cables come sheathed in this nice little bit of plastic. Nice presentation. The cable's quite rigid. Much more than other USBs I've tried before. It's got this kind of braided cable, but it's relatively rigid, and at the end of the connectors they've got this kind of rubber sheath just to prevent snagging or bending. And it comes with this integrated kind of cable tidy, a little rubber cable tidy, which is nice to have, and that's permanently attached to one end, but it will slide up and down the length. So I plug in that USB A side. That's to get where your power source is, and then you'll see the little green LED will come up on the end of the USB-C side. I'm just going to plug it into this battery power bank here, and it seems like that green LED just stays on all the time, so it doesn't matter if it's plugged in or plugged out. If the USB-A side is plugged in, this green light will stay on, but it's not too bright, and I can only imagine it's there just to make it easy to spot if it's like down the side of a couch or if all your lights are off at night. But it's not overly bright, so I don't think it's going to be of annoyance. But yeah, that seems to be working. I'm just trying it on another power bank I've got, so I'm going to plug the USB-A side in here, and just for testing purposes I'll plug this USB-C side back into that power bank. But it all seems to be working fine. You can see the lights come up on the power bank there to show that it's charging. But yeah, if you've got any questions, send me a message and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks a lot.